I'm Christy, I'm your beekeeper. I wanted to give you an update on how your girls are doing. I checked both hives thoroughly the other day. Their yellow bands on their bodies are nice and wide, which means that they're getting plenty to eat. We named the queen. This is Queen Kamama, and this is Queen Sapphire. Queen Sapphire is one of those rare, exceptional queens that every beekeeper wishes that every hive was like her. She is very prolific in her egg laying. There are a lot of bees in here. There's probably 60,000 to 70,000 bees in here. You know, way more than a normal hive. She's just real busy. We're real lucky to have Queen Sapphire. That's not to say that Queen Kamama is doing really good too. She's laying eggs. Her hive is, upcoming. They're not producing honey for us to take yet like Queen Sapphire is, but we still have a few more months in the season. Stay tuned. I'll be giving you another video update in a few more weeks. Thanks.